Hi everybody, this is John Fellenstein, Professor Polymer from the Akron Global Polymer Academy at the University of Akron with another daily demonstration. What is your favorite slime additive? Today we are going to experiment with a couple of things that we can add to our ingredients to change the properties of our cross-linked polymer putty. Okay, here's our basic recipe. So we're going to use polyvinyl alcohol, which is the same thing as Elmer's clear glue, and liquid borax. Now we just have them in different colors because they're easier to tell apart that way. So in this case we're going to add about 2 parts of the polyvinyl alcohol to about 1 part of the borax. And then we're going to stir it up. Cross-linking this polymer, causing those polymer chains to hang on to each other. Notice what's happening here in the cup. As I keep stirring, most of it's going to get stuck on my finger. And then we wind up with something that looks like this. Okay, so as I keep working it, it's going to get more and more rubbery as the cross-linking chemicals get into all those polymer pieces. So here's our basic formulation. As I keep working it, it's going to get a little bit more flexible. But what we're going to do now is we're going to make some other batches, and we're going to add different things to the mixture in order to see if we can change the properties at all. Here's batch number 2. We've got the polyvinyl alcohol, the glue, and then there's also some lotion in there. All right, so we're just going to mix this up as best as we can before we cross-link it. So batch number 2 is polyvinyl alcohol, clear glue with lotion, and then we'll see what happens when we cross-link this one. Definitely a different color. Here we go, almost there. Alrighty, so it's definitely physically different looking. Here's batch 2 with the lotion in it. It certainly smells good. So we'll do a couple of tests here to see if we can determine their properties. Batch 3, a little shaving cream. Mix that in with our polyvinyl alcohol before we cross-link it. Alrighty, here we go, cross-linking, shaving cream, polyvinyl alcohol, slime. Now this one it's a little bit more in the container because I think I added more polyvinyl alcohol, more of the clear glue. This one definitely smells good. Here's our third batch with the shaving cream in it. It seems a little stronger than the previous two batches. Okay, this last batch has some baking soda in there, so we'll stir that up, see if we can get that to dissolve in there before we cross-link it. I've never done this one before, so this should be interesting. Alright, there's the baking soda in there. A little bit of a cross-link here. Okay, here's number 4. This is the baking soda mixed in. And it's still, there's a lot of liquid coming out of it still. It does seem very, very strong, however. This is the flow test. We have a winner in the flow test. That is the PVA mixed with the lotion, fastest flowing of the 3 substances. Next, we're going to do the sag test. I'm just going to get a piece like this and see how long it takes it to reach the table. The last test we'll do is the bounce test. So we will have a ruler and we'll see what happens in slow motion as it bounces. So there you have it. We have different additives to our polymer putty. I don't recommend using the baking soda because it just kind of turned into a mass that isn't really workable. Our regular one is very, very, very flexible. The lotion is somewhat more flexible and slightly uncolored. I think my favorite so far is the shaving cream. So have a great day, everybody. Stay safe, and remember, go Zips.